In today's video, we're going to be talking about songwriting credits, why they are important, and how you can add them through Distrokid. Songwriting credits are how the people involved in creating a song are acknowledged and compensated for their work. So that's basically what songwriting credits are. I would like us to go on and look at why songwriting credits matter. Quickly, before we continue, I would like to shout out this article. It's vividtempo.com. I'll link it down below. If I forget someone, let me know in the comments. But they are the people whose article we are using in this video. I've read a couple, and this one seems to be the most sufficient to pass this message along. So songwriting credits, here the article says, songwriting credits are an essential part of the music industry, as they ensure that all contributors to a song are appropriately credited and compensated for their work. So Distrokid even mentions in their article, let's just go to the article right here. It mentions in their article that they are not sure how streaming services will use this information. It says it right here. It's too soon to know exactly how it will all be used, but streaming services are getting serious about collecting metadata. Now, I'm going to follow that sentiment and let you guys know I'm not sure how they will use all this data. But one part that I know will be useful for the people that you've collaborated with is the fact that they are appropriately credited, the fact that they are now known to have worked on a song. Just imagine, right, if maybe you worked on a song with Drake, right, but because Drake doesn't add you to the credits, no one knows, and no one can give you that, that pat on the back, or can consider you for for any kind of work they have going on. That would be a disservice to yourself. So adding songwriting credits to your music allows the people that you worked with to have opportunities. It opens doors for them. And yeah, it goes on to mention, this article goes on to mention that songwriters, producers, composers, and other contributors must be identified to receive royalties from streaming services, radio play, and other sources of income. So the fact that you're adding this information to the metadata, when maybe an artist that worked with you on a song, maybe they're a composer, or maybe they are even a songwriter on the song, then when they decide to go and register themselves with a performing rights organization, or maybe with another entity out there that allows musicians to collect royalties, people in the different parts of the music production process to collect royalties, it makes it easy for them because they can just go to the song and their names are already there, their information is already there. So that is important. Stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to actually show you one of the songs whose credits I filled out and how they appear in Spotify. That is basically why songwriting credits matter. One, so that they are appropriately credited, and therefore it opens doors for them. And two, they can be easily compensated for their work. Now, let's go and read the article that Distrokid released. We might not go through all of it, but I just wanted to show you the variety of metadata that Distrokid collects. Here you can see it highlights what's being added. So you can see songwriters and whether they contributed music, lyrics, or both, musicians and their instruments. So you're talking about drummers, bass, guitar, keyboard, any kind of instrument that was played for the song, you can actually credit these people. And then we talk about producers and beat makers. We talk about the designer of your album artwork. Those people barely get mentioned in terms of credits, but Distrokid is giving you the opportunity to do that. So you can see everyone else involved. It's really detailed, the amount of information they're allowing you to give them, so that they have the appropriate metadata to maybe distribute onto all these streaming platforms. So that is the main part that I wanted to show you guys from this article. I will also link it below. But now I want to show you exactly how you can access this part of Distrokid and start crediting the people that have contributed to your music. So once you are ready to add credits to your music, of course, log into your Distrokid account. Once you're logged in, come to the menu bar up here and then click on these 4 boxes here. So once you click on that, just move this. Once you click on that, you'll see a list of items mentioned. Come to enhance your music. Then you scroll and you see credits there. So credit says list the people who helped with your music. So you click on that. Once you click on that, it will bring you to a page like this. So you can see that a lot of my songs require the credits to be filled in. But one of them is Feel Good Vibes, which has the credits added to it. So let's take a look at that. So when you click one of the songs, it will show you, it will give you a heads up basically that says we collect more credits than many streaming services support. For example, Spotify shows producer credits, but not assistant producer, executive producer, etc. So this is another testament to what the Distrokid article says. It's too soon to know what these streaming services are going to use that information for. Some of them don't even display it, therefore they have no purpose for it as yet. But it's always safer to have that information out so that later on, maybe 5-10 years down the road, when streaming services figure out how best that metadata can help, then it's already there. You don't have to start now adding that information to the songs through Distrokid. So here you can see the people that I credited are 1, music and lyrics, myself, 2, the person I featured, and 3, the producer. Another thing that I would like to show you is the variety of credits you can give. I already showed you in their article, but I think it's better if I show you within the platform as well. So you can see here songwriter, musician, producer, engineer, video personnel. Oh, that's interesting. So someone who shoots your videos, you can add that too. Studio, gear, business, contributor, social media, contact information. Wow. Acknowledgements, notes, import credits from another song. So you can do that as well. That is interesting. But that is how much information Distrokid is allowing you to add to your song through its platform. Distrokid has also tooted its own horn, saying that let me just find that. Okay, it's right here. So this article says Distrokid's goal is to help our artists be successful. We were the first distributor to offer unlimited uploads for one price with no commission. We are also the first to offer automatic royalty splits, instant verification on Spotify, lyric uploads to Apple Music, artist photos, free backups, and many more. So you can see that Distrokid is not afraid to let you know that, we are pioneers in this, and all these other platforms are following suit. I know for the royalty splits, Distrokid was among the first to do that because I was actually already a patron of the platform when they started doing that, and I hadn't seen that anywhere else. So big up to them for that. But that's basically how you add credits. So in order to see the credits that you added to your song, you have to come into the Spotify platform and then select the song. So the song to which I added the credits is called Feel Good Vibes. So once you've clicked on it, you'll need to come to the ellipsis right here for more options, and then you'll see the option to show credits. Once you click on that, it will show the credits that are available. You can see here it was performed by myself and Odanzi, written by myself and Odanzi as well. This is his full name, and then produced by Andrew. So these are the credits that I added to this song. If you found some value in this video, let me know down in the comment section. Also, you can like the video. If you have a topic that you feel that we can cover and it would be beneficial, let me know down in the comment section. We also have a 7% discount if you do not have a distributor that you use to put your music out on streaming platforms like Apple Music, like Spotify. Then you can get yourself a 7% discount on your first year subscribing to Distrokid. I'll see you in the next video.